Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm building some feather boards, some for the table saw and some for the bandsaw. So I already have a feather board that I built a couple of years ago, and I used toilet bolts and I ground off the ends of it so that it can slide into my miter slot and I can just lock it into place. It's been working great for me for most of my cuts. So if I have a piece that I need to cut off and I have at least a 1 inch cut off or more, it locks in great, nice and tight, and it does a really good job. However, if I have a cut where I just need to take off like maybe an eighth or a quarter of an inch off the ends to square something off, it doesn't quite reach, and I wanted to build something that was a little bit longer so that I can actually have that extra reach. I've been meaning to do this for a while and finally had some time, so might as well get to it. So you see me here making an angle. That's the angle. I'm trying to copy the same angle that I had before. I like the design that I did before, so I figured let me just do it again. I have my kids in the shop with me for now while I'm just measuring. I'm going to take them out of the garage by the time I start using the power tools. That's the reason for all that noise behind me. As soon as I start working with the power tools, I'm going to actually let you guys enjoy watching the video without my voiceover. So after measuring the angles, I measured 1 inch on the left and the right. You'll see what that's for later. That's for the bolts, where the bolts will go. So here I'm just setting up my cut and everything, and I apologize. My camera will cut off while I'm actually making this cut. For some reason I ran out of storage and I didn't realize until after it was too late. and now I'm finally able to make the cuts that I wanted to on the table saw. If you found any value in this video, please make sure you hit the like button, and hey, maybe subscribe too. So now that I have two feather boards, they were each 3/4 inch. I actually cut them both on the bandsaw exactly in the middle. So now I have 4 feather boards, 2 shorter ones and 2 longer ones. One of the shorter ones is now going to be permanently for the bandsaw, and the other 3 will be for the table saw. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a great day. God bless.